Hi, my name is Tessa Hoover, and today my persuasion speech is going to be on brushing your teeth and the importance of doing so. My speech is called Brush Your Way to a Healthy Smile. Okay, first I'd like to go over my table of contents. The first topic we will be discussing is our teeth and gums, and just a brief overview of teeth and gums and what they're made of and how they work together. The next subject we'll be discussing is the impact of not brushing your teeth and the harmful effects that it has on your teeth, your gums, and your breath. And the last topic we'll be going over is techniques for better toothbrushing. So first, I would like to show you healthy teeth and gums versus unhealthy teeth and gums. Obviously, the picture on the right are nice, bright white teeth and pink gums. I would guess if I had to speak to this person, they'd probably have breath that didn't smell horrible, hopefully, and their mouth looks clean and healthy and is appealing to others. The picture on the left is unhealthy teeth and gums. I wouldn't guess this breath smells very fresh, and I'm going to guess that this person never brushed their teeth and did not take good care of their teeth whatsoever. No brushing, no flossing, no anything. So keeping these pictures in mind, let's move on. And here we have the beautiful Angelina Jolie with another pretty smile. So let's talk about our teeth. Our teeth help us chew and digest food. They help us talk and pronounce different sounds. And our teeth also give us the shape, they help shape our face. And that is according to Dental Health Organization. The next thing I want to talk about is what our teeth do for us and why they're important for us to have. They help us eat and cut through food and grind it in preparation for swallowing. The next thing, we all have teeth, and they're made up of 4 different types of tissue. The tissues that teeth are made up of are pulp, dentin, enamel, and cementum. When humans are born, we're born with no teeth. As babies grow, their teeth in their mouth start to develop and grow. Your first set of teeth, you have 20 baby teeth. And as you begin to lose your teeth around the age of 6, all of those teeth are replaced with 32 permanent adult teeth. Now, let's talk about the impact of not brushing your teeth. We all know how bad breath can smell. So that is why it's so important to brush your teeth. Everybody needs to make sure and brush their teeth as much as possible so that your breath doesn't smell bad and that your teeth are not rotten as the teeth look in this picture right here. So improper brushing causes plaque and tartar buildup. That's the first stage of tooth decay. Actually it's the first stage of cavities, and cavities leads to tooth decay and gum disease, and that is according to Caring for Your Teeth 2018. Improper toothbrushing also causes halitosis and bad breath, and no one wants to run around with bad breath. It's unpleasant and it's offending to other people. Improper toothbrushing can be a huge turnoff for other people who have to smell your breath and see your rotten teeth. For example, you wouldn't want to go to lunch with someone who you had to sit next to and eat with and smell their terrible breath and look at their gross, nasty teeth. And last but not least, brushing your teeth is an important part of your dental routine for a healthy mouth and a healthy, bright, white smile. And that is according to the American Dental Association of 2019. So these are techniques that I want to go over that will improve your dental brushing and overall improve the health of your teeth and gums. So you want to brush your teeth once in the morning and once at night right before bedtime. And don't eat anything else after you brush your teeth. If you place your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle against your gums, it helps to remove the plaque and tartar buildup better and more effectively. You want to brush back and forth in short, wide strokes. Brush the outer surfaces, the inner surfaces, and the chewing surfaces of the teeth. You can also brush your tongue to help remove excess odor from your mouth. You want to clean the inside surfaces of the teeth, of the front, as well as the back side of your teeth. So you'd want to tilt the brush vertically and make several up and down strokes to do so. Also, the American Dental Association recommends that you use toothpaste that is approved by them to ensure that your teeth are healthy and your breath is happy. Make sure to visit your dentist at least once a year for proper cleaning and maintenance of your teeth, and you can also ensure healthy teeth and gums by eating a healthy diet with less sugar. So next, we're just going to go over a picture here of the correct way that you want to brush your teeth. So you want to, once again, place your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Brush gently in a circular motion. Brush the outer and inner chewing surfaces of each tooth, and use the tip of your brush for the inner surface of your front teeth. And this is very important to ensure that you have a healthy, fresh breath and nice, pretty teeth that will result with a beautiful smile. And again, I just want to show you these two pictures. So on the right side, this is the healthy mouth and healthy teeth. And that is a result of proper brushing and proper care of your teeth and gums. The left side is a result of not brushing your teeth. And this was what plaque and tartar buildup leads to, gum disease, and eventually, obviously, I'm sure that mouth is very smelly, and it eventually leads to your teeth falling out or having to have them removed. And that is my presentation on keeping a clean, healthy mouth. So I hope you'll all think next time about when you decide to skip brushing your teeth before you go to bed, because that leaves lots of buildup and germs and bacteria in your mouth to cause that nasty breath and tooth decay. And we all want to have a happy, healthy smile, so we have to brush.